Ever wondered how data travels from your device to the rest of the world? That's where Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, comes into play. Imagine you're sending an email from New York to a friend in Tokyo. Your message doesn't magically appear in your friend's inbox. It travels a complex route with many stops along the way. It's like taking a trip around the world, only in the blink of an eye. This is the magic of networking, and CCNA is the wizard behind the curtain. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, is a globally recognized certification for IT networking professionals. It's the golden ticket for anyone looking to ride the wave of network engineering. And it's not just about sending emails, it's about connecting people, businesses, and even cities. It's about making the world a smaller place. But why is CCNA important? Well, in today's digitally driven world, nearly every industry relies on networking. From healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education, networking is the backbone of our modern lives. And CCNA is the spine that holds it all together. Understanding the concepts of CCNA is like learning a new language. It's not just about memorizing terms and definitions. It's about understanding how they work together, how they interact, and how they shape the digital landscape. But don't worry, this video will make it easy for you. We will break down these complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand steps. We will take you on a journey from the basics of networking to the advanced concepts of CCNA. We will demystify the world of networking and make it accessible to everyone. So whether you're a seasoned network engineer looking to brush up on your skills, or a curious learner exploring new territories, this video is for you. It's time to embark on this exciting journey, to discover the magic of networking, to unlock the potential of CCNA. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of networking. Alright, before we explore CCNA, we need to understand the basics of networking. So, let's dive into the world of networks. A network, in its simplest form, is a group of two or more computers linked together. There are numerous devices involved in this linking process, and these include routers, switches, and firewalls, to name but a few. These devices help in sending and receiving data packets across the network. Now, imagine this situation. You're sending a letter to a friend. You write the letter, put it in an envelope, write your friend's address on it, and drop it in the mailbox. The postal service takes over from there, delivering your letter to your friend's doorstep. This is analogous to how data is transferred over a network. The protocols are the rules that govern this transfer. Protocols such as IP, TCP, and UDP are the backbone of network communication. IP, which stands for Internet Protocol, is like the address on your letter. It helps in routing the data to the correct destination. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, ensures that the data packets are sent and received correctly, maintaining the integrity of the data. On the other hand, UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is a bit like a postcard. It's faster because it doesn't check whether the data was received correctly, but there's a risk that some information might get lost in transit. Moving on, let's talk about layers. The networking model is divided into several layers, each with a specific function. This layered approach allows for easier troubleshooting and understanding of where things might go wrong in the data communication process. From physical transmission of data to network interfaces and application-specific functions, each layer plays a crucial role. So in a nutshell, networking is all about devices communicating with each other, following certain rules or protocols, and operating within a layered structure. With these basics under our belt, we can move on to more specific CCNA concepts. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to delve deeper into the CCNA. The CCNA, or Cisco Certified Network Associate, is a globally recognized certification that opens up a world of opportunities for network engineers. It's structured around a variety of modules, each one designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of how data moves across networks. One of the first modules is Network Fundamentals. This is where we start to lay the groundwork, diving into topics like network components, architecture, and operations. It's all about understanding the basics and building a solid foundation from there. We learn about different network topologies, protocols, and the types of data that move across these networks. Next, we move on to network access. This module is all about connectivity. It explores how devices access and use data in a network. We dive into topics like VLANs and trunking, as well as the role of routers and switches in managing network access. It's here that we start to see how all the pieces of the network puzzle fit together. The IP connectivity module takes us a step further. This module covers a range of services that enhance network functionality. We explore topics like DHCP and DNS, learning how these services facilitate communication between devices on a network. It's about understanding the role of these services in creating a seamless network experience. Next up is IP services. This module covers a range of services that enhance network functionality. We explore topics like DHCP and DNS, learning how these services facilitate communication between devices on a network. It's about understanding the role of these services in creating a seamless network experience. Then there's security fundamentals. In an age where cyber threats are a constant concern, this module is essential. It covers the principles of network security, exploring topics like secure network architecture and secure access. It's about understanding how to protect a network from potential threats and ensuring the safe transmission of data. Finally, we have automation and programmability. This is a key area in today's network landscape. It's about learning how to automate network operations and program network devices. It's a glimpse into the future of networking, where manual operations are being replaced by automation for greater efficiency and accuracy. So, there you have it. From network fundamentals to automation and programmability, the CCNA covers a broad spectrum of topics. Each module is designed to deepen your understanding of networking, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complex world of network engineering. These modules offer a comprehensive understanding of how data moves across networks. You might be wondering, why is CCNA important for network engineers? Well, let's dive in and explore that thought. The Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA as it's more commonly known, is more than just a certificate. It's a badge of honor, a testament to your knowledge and skills in the field of networking. But more than that, it's a key that unlocks a multitude of doors in your professional journey. Think of it this way: the IT industry is a vast ocean, and every certification you earn is like a lighthouse guiding you towards your destination. Among these, the CCNA stands out as one of the most respected and recognized certifications worldwide. But why is it so revered? Firstly, the CCNA certification offers a comprehensive understanding of networking, from the basics to more complex concepts. This knowledge is invaluable because it forms the backbone of any network engineer's career. Secondly, the CCNA certification is a stepping stone to higher-level Cisco certifications. It's like a foundation stone to a building. The stronger the foundation, the higher you can go. Earning the CCNA certification puts you on a clear path of career progression, paving the way for advanced roles and responsibilities. Thirdly, the CCNA certification is widely recognized by employers. It's a clear indicator of your dedication, commitment, and expertise in the field of networking. Having a CCNA certification on your resume can significantly increase your chances of landing a job or getting a promotion. It's like a golden ticket, opening up a world of job opportunities and career growth. Lastly, the practical skills gained from CCNA training cannot be underestimated. The hands-on experience you gain is instrumental in troubleshooting network issues and ensuring smooth running of IT infrastructure. These skills, coupled with the theoretical knowledge, make you an invaluable asset to any organization. So it's clear that the CCNA certification offers numerous benefits. It's not just about the knowledge or the skills, it's about the opportunities it brings and the doors it opens. So CCNA certification not only increases your understanding, but also opens a world of opportunities. Now that we know what CCNA is and why it's important, how do we prepare for the CCNA exam? The first step in preparing for the CCNA exam is getting a clear understanding of the exam pattern. Cisco provides a detailed list of exam topics on their website. This is your roadmap. It's a smart idea to print it out and keep it handy. As you study each topic, tick it off. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Next, gather the right study resources. There's a plethora of CCNA study guides, online courses, and video tutorials available. Cisco's official Cert Guide is a comprehensive resource that covers all the exam topics in depth. But don't limit yourself to just one resource. Diversify. Use multiple resources to get a well-rounded understanding of the topics. And remember, quality over quantity. It's better to thoroughly understand a topic than to superficially skim through many. Now, let's talk about labs and simulators. Hands-on practice is absolutely essential when preparing for the CCNA exam. You need to get comfortable with configuring and troubleshooting network devices. Cisco Packet Tracer and GNS3 are great network simulators that you can use for this purpose. These tools mimic real-world networking environments, allowing you to practice to your heart's content without investing in expensive hardware. Lastly, don't forget to review. Revising the topics you've learned is just as important as learning them in the first place. Plan your study schedule in such a way that you have ample time for revision, and practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be on exam day. Preparing for the CCNA exam may seem like a daunting task, but remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take your time to understand each topic, and don't rush through your preparation. With the right preparation, you can ace the CCNA exam and kickstart your networking career. That's a wrap on the basics of CCNA. We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of network engineering and the pivotal role that CCNA plays within it. We've started from the ground up, understanding networking basics, the cornerstone of any successful networking career. Then we dived deep into the heart of CCNA, dissecting its intricacies and shedding light on its profound impact on our interconnected world. We've highlighted the immense value of CCNA for network engineers, emphasizing that this certification is more than just a line on a resume. It's a testament to your expertise, your dedication, and your ability to navigate the complex web of networks that power our daily lives. We've also discussed how to effectively prepare for the CCNA exam, arming you with the knowledge and strategies to conquer this challenging yet rewarding milestone. Remember, CCNA is not just about passing an exam, it's about understanding how our connected world works. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep networking.